How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to another installment of another lab procedure video. For this video, we're going to be showing you an introduction to chemical reactions. And for this example, we're going to be showing you copper and aluminum. With your host, Armani Satterley. Hey guys, me again. And today we're going to be doing a chemical reaction video. Now, before we go into the lab, let's make sure I got long clothes, pants, and closed-toed shoes. No dangling jewelry, and that seemed to be pretty fine. So, let's start with the first step before going into the lab, putting on the goggles. In order to do the lab, you're going to need these following materials. Now, it is very important that you have distilled water and at least around 2 grams of copper 2 chloride. Now, as I pour the copper 2 chloride into the water, I take the stirring rod and I stir it real well to make sure I got this clear sky blue looking color. Now that you have stirred the mixture correctly, now it's time to add some aluminum foil. Be sure it's a small piece of flat aluminum foil so it will not be too big just for this experiment to not work. Now, once when you put it into the beaker, you want to just keep stirring it until it dissolves away. Now you want to keep adding at least 4 to 5 pieces of aluminum foil so you can get this dark, foggy, clearish black color of the solution. Now it's time to get rid of the contents in the beaker. Now what you want to do is ask the teacher or your professor and ask where do you dump the contents, and they'll let you know where to discard the contents. Now for this video, as you can see, there's 2 large beakers where we can dump the contents. Now I just pour them. Be sure to get a bottle of water and be sure to squirt it around the beaker. You should be good to go. Now, it's time for beaker 2. You're going to need these following items. Now, I get 10 milliliters of ammonia and add it into the beaker. As I have the ammonia inside of the beaker, I'm going to take the copper 2 chloride and pour it with the 50 milliliters of water and add it to the ammonia that's inside the beaker. Now you should get this bright green, tealish type of color, and that's how you know you've done it correctly. And the same as the last experiment, you want to safely discard the contents.